Machine learning is the engine behind modern AI. It powers recommendations, groups your photos, flags early warnings in hospitals, and predicts demand in business. Imagine you run an online store and you want to predict whether a visitor will complete checkout. A rule like cart over $50 on desktop means they'll buy breaks as behavior changes. ML learns patterns from real examples like time of day, delivery estimates, and product category interactions without you hand-coding every rule. Machine learning is a family of techniques where computers learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions without explicit rules. You give examples, often with correct answers called labels, and the model tunes internal parameters to reduce errors, then predicts on new inputs. 3 quick categories. Supervised learning uses labeled examples like spam versus not spam. Unsupervised finds structure with no labels, like clustering customers. Reinforcement learning improves by rewards from trial and error. Real ML is a pipeline. Frame the problem and define what good means. Source and clean data build features split into train, validation, test, train, and tune. A model evaluates with the right metrics, deploy into a workflow, then monitor. Drift latency and cost and retrain when reality changes. For tabular business data, teams often start with simple baselines like linear or logistic regression, then move to decision trees, random forests, or gradient boosting. For images and language, neural networks and transformers shine, but they cost more and need stronger guardrails. Evaluation matters. Accuracy can mislead when positives are rare, so use precision, recall, and confusion matrices. For regression, May is intuitive and RMSE punishes big misses. And always compare to a simple baseline, like predict last month's average. Watch out for data leakage, imbalanced classes, and distribution shift after deployment. These are the classic ways good-looking models fail in the real world. Try a tiny lab in a spreadsheet. Make a small data set. Split train test. Set a baseline. Then compare a simple model. That builds real ML intuition fast. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow and make more beginner-friendly guides.